Good afternoon, folks. This is Fred Campos, owner of DFW Website Designers. It is a wonderful Thursday, June the 2nd, 2022. This is episode number 401 of your 3 business tips at 3 o'clock in and around 3 minutes. Solopreneurs, small business owners, if you're just joining us, we're in the middle of a series talking about starting a business. As a web designer with nearly 500 clients, I've helped so many solopreneurs and bootstrappers get their business started with their web design, but there's some other elements that obviously make a really good business startup that you absolutely have to do. And we're going to talk about the basic elements today of banking. We're going to talk about opening a checking account, finding the right merchant, and picking your accounting system. You don't have an established real business until you've gone to a bank or credit union and opened up a business checking account for your particular organization. Now, you might make the mistake of dealing with your own personal banking, but trust me, you're going to want to keep the records separate, and you should have a separate business checking account, even if you're going to do everything online. That's business tip number 1, is you absolutely have to, I insist that you open a business checking account. And by the way, you may have to register the name of your business with your state prior to doing that. Kind of varies from state to state. Business tip number 2, you're probably going to conduct some form of online payments, or you should, taking payments online through your website. Even if you don't, you need a merchant solution to hook up to your smartphone to perhaps do through PayPal, through scanning credit cards. Whether you have a storefront or not, you have to have a merchant account that usually is connected to your business checking account to actually process payments. You need to establish your ability to take income first before you do anything else. So many times I see clients get and go after different businesses and marketing, but they have no way for when that client says yes to their product or service to actually move forward. Business tip number 3 is you have to have some form of accounting system and should start early with doing that well. Now, as far as different types of accounting packages, I talked about that in episode 102. As far as keeping records, I talked about that episode 361. But you need to get into the habit of using some form of accounting system and hire an accountant to help you figure that out to do that. These are the bare bones minimum you need to start a business. You need to have all your banking in order. But that's what I'm learning today. Anything I learn, I throw over the fence to you guys because I want you guys to be awesome and successful in business. Now go back to sleep.